It's time to craft. Let's go. Welcome back, guys. Let's go. So this is going to be a quick DIY using these floor foams that can be picked up from the Dollar Tree, and this yarn that I picked up from Walmart. It did come in a value pack and I paid like $7.88 for it. So basically all I'm going to do is just wrap these cones or this floor foam in a circular pattern using the yarn. As you can see, once you get started, only thing you got to do is press down and just rotate the yarn around in a circular position formation. And once that's done, I just glued the top of the piece and cut it off, and then now I'm just going in a diagonal pattern around each of these using this jute twine just to give it some character. And then, like I said, guys, this is a very quick DIY, but quick doesn't mean it's not cute. And as you can see, what I did to the first cone, I also did to the second. And now I am making some jute twine bows using some of the twine that I purchased from Walmart. That's just to embellish this a little bit and give it some substance and make it a little cuter instead of being so plain. I wanted something that was quick and didn't require much product. And again, like I said, what you do to one, you do to the other. And guys, look at this. Is that not cute? It's adorable. It's cute. And guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to my channel. And as you can see here, I just made this into a tree farm using many different textured trees, and most of these came from the Dollar Tree, while the larger two in the very back came from Michael's. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please make sure you leave a comment, share, like, and if you have yet to subscribe, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you will be notified when I upload anything to my channel, and that way it prevents you from missing out on any content. And guys, if you have yet to check out my Craftmas videos, please make sure you go and watch those. And also, if you have yet to watch the collaboration video, please make sure you go check that out as well. And guys, I pray that you all have a blessed night, and I will see you in the next Craftmas video. Bye, guys.